Okay, today we're going to talk about equations with distributive property. Before we begin, let's review what an equation is. Remember, in any equation, our goal is to isolate the variable. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6. So 2x equals 6. These cancel out. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then I divide both sides by 2. And x equals 3. All right, so example 1. Let's look at a distributive property. Whenever I have the distributive property in a problem, the first thing I want to do is distribute. So what's 3 times 2x? 6x. And 3 times 5 is 15. So the next thing I have is now a two-step equation. I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. 6x equals 24. I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And x equals 4. So now let's check it. 3 times, what's 2 times 4? 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 times 13 is 39. And it works. Okay, let's try another one. This is example 2. Why don't you hit pause and try and work it out, and then we'll check back. All right, let's distribute. What's 2 times 6k? 12k minus 2 times 1 is 2 is negative 38. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. 12k equals negative 36. Divide both sides by 12. K equals negative 3. Let's check it. 2 times 6 times negative 3 minus 1. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 minus 1 is 2 times negative 19, which is 2 times 9 is 18, negative 38. So it works. So my answer would be k equals negative 3. Let's try another one. This is going to be example 3. Go ahead and hit pause. All right, 8 times 7 is 56 minus 8 times y is 8y is negative 24. I'm going to subtract 56 from both sides. Negative 8y equals, these are both negative, so I'm going to add them together. 6 plus 4 is 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 80. Divide by negative 8. And y equals a positive 10. So let's check it. What's 7 minus 10? Negative 3. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. So it works. Let's try another. Example 4. Now I'm distributing a negative, so I need to be careful. Negative 4 times 8 is negative 32. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. I'm going to add 32. Negative 20n equals 40. Divide by negative 20. And n equals negative 2. Plug it in. What's 5 times negative 2? Negative 10. 8 plus negative 10 is negative 2. Negative 4 times negative 2 is a positive 8. Okay? This next one is kind of a bonus. I want you to bring this into class tomorrow, and we will see if you got it right or not. Now, don't forget to take your quiz.